Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. People, it is time for a new Mani by Me box. This is the November 2022 Mani by Me box, and it's come in a little bit of a condition, so let's hope everything is okay inside. Let's open it up. I'm going to take out my, what is it called? My receipt. And then let's have a look at the prettiness inside the box. So we've got our two cards, and then we've got our bundle. Box is empty. They have such cute boxes though, don't they? Okay. Okie dokie. Let's have a look. I'm going to show you guys, but you can pause and look at it if you want. I really don't want to see it just yet, so I'm looking away. And this is a detailed description of all the stuff that's in the box. And then our Mani by Me tutorial, which I love doing these. These are so fun. This is Seasons Creepings. Oh yes, I have heard about this one. So, 'twas the night before Creepsmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. No mice in sight, yet what do we see? A friendly ghost bundled up our tree. This month's tutorial is merry yet frightful. We hope you find this cute bat delightful. Okay, so it's supposed to be a spooky Christmas, which, I don't know, it's not really my jam, but to each their own. So let's go through all the pieces. This is the tutorial in case you want to see it. We will be doing this one. I'll do a video for it, but it might take me a couple of days to get it out because I will be going to Ireland over Thanksgiving break. Oh yay, I'm so excited. So I'm going to have a little bit of break in there. One of these plates is MXM092 and the other one is MXM091. So you can definitely see that Christmas theme, but if you look a little bit more closely, you see cats in the Christmas tree, you see skeletons on the reindeer, you see a skull in a snow globe, Merry Creepmas, Boo with little Santa hats with ghosts. So creepy yet very festive and Christmas as well. Okay, and let's see the next one. Following that one, we have the MXM092. Once again, we've got Creepsmas. Oh, that's a Ouija board thing, and it's got candy canes on it. That's cute. Hail Santa, a skull on the, what is that thing called? A candy on the ribbon on the candy cane. So lots of skulls kind of creeping their way into your designs. Oh look, the muscle man, gingerbread man, he's kind of funny. So as you can see, this one looks just like snowflakes. Oh, maybe there's some skulls in it. That's kind of cool though. I could get behind that one. Maybe I'll do something like with that with the tutorial. Anyway, so this is our we wish you a Merry Xmas. Okay, so these are very creepy and yet at the same time very Halloween-y, I guess. Creepy and Christmassy. Okay, let's see what our colors are. Okay, getting into this bad boy. I do hope that they're two stamping colors. Oh, I always open it from the bottom. Or no, yeah, that was the bottom. Okay, so we have a green and a purple. Okay, Christmassy colors, yet still very creepy colors. Holly, Hell, ha ha ha, and Hail Santa. So let's do some swatches of those before we do this one and talk about that. And I'm just going to show you the colors right now. We'll do the stamping swatches a little bit later. Let me scooch in a little bit for you guys. Okay, so let's do Hail Santa first. So I've opened her up. It is a really luscious purple. It makes me think of Prince. With some orange undertones, actually. Pretty. Very pretty. It does look like it's definitely going to need 2 coats. I think you can't really tell from the camera view, but I can definitely see that I would put 2 coats on there. And then Holly Hell is what it was called. Holly Hell. Very creepy. So this was a shimmery green. Let's just, oh, that's pretty. Oh, goodness, that is pretty. I love that. That's definitely a good Christmassy color, for show, for show. Okay, so there's where our two colors. And this one is just a dark, dark burgundy, really. So two very pretty colors. Okay, and as our extra item, we have our Sponger Dauber guy. Nail Ultra, the premium tools. So you get some extra ones of these and they latch on the end. I haven't had a lot of success with this. Oh, there are some directions on the back. Round and pointed heads. You can use gradients, glitters, and more. Replaceable heads mean you can let your creativity flow. But you can clean it, it looks like. Acetone on a paper towel, squeeze the sponge a few times. I haven't had a lot of luck cleaning them. So yes, the buildup happens and then, yeah, you do eventually have to throw it away, which is why they include extra heads. So let's at least pull out, well, I guess we're gonna pull out everything. I'm missing an extra head. Ah! And then we also have our kit, our tool right here. Nice and fat, you're gonna have a good grip on it, and that's basically what you do with it. You just sponge your stuff on. It has a pointed on one end, and then it's nice and rounded on the other end. Like I said, I have used them before, but I didn't find a whole lot of success with them. They're pretty stuck in there. I ain't trying to break my nails, y'all. So I'm not gonna try to damage that to rip it out to put the new one in, but this is, you just basically take that part out and then you replace it with this other one. So that's how that works. And maybe with the tutorial, I'll do something with this as well then. Okay, now let me get my stuff ready so we can do some stamping. All right, I grabbed my monocle stamper and I've got a little scraper card and I think we're ready to go. Which polish am I gonna start with? Let's start with the Hail Santa color. Okay, here we go. Put that bad boy right there. Pick this up, scrape, pick up, and place. Just a super dark, rich, luscious burgundy. Really just a pretty, pretty color. Super dark though, like honestly, very dark. I am gonna put a second coat of this one a little bit later so we can see what's going on there. Let me clean this off. I grabbed some acetone and a cotton ball, did a quick cleanup, and let's do our other color. I also need to clean that guy off. So I just got a little sticky pad and I'll be cleaning that guy off. And we're ready for the next color, which is Holly Hell. That's just so funny. Lipstick names and nail polish names crack me up. Okay. And, ooh, so shimmery. That is a really pretty shimmery stamp. Really nice. I'm a fan, I'm a fan. And they work well together. And I can see how they're playing off the Christmas, you know, with the burgundy instead of the bright, you know, fire engine red. They're making it a little deeper, darker, more creepy, if you will. Okay, so those are the pieces that are in our kit. Let's go through everything that we had. We had our two colors that were Holly Hell and Hail Santa. I'm going to show you those colors one more time because I forgot to do an extra coat on this guy. So let's go ahead and do that. And then I'll show you the rest of the stuff. Oh my gosh, it's almost like dries a different color, doesn't it? You can't see so much of the red undertones, the red and orange undertones when you do a second coat. Very luscious. Gosh, it almost looks black on camera. Super, super dark green, a very subtle shimmer, and really, you guys, luscious and deep, dark, beautiful. And then we've got a great shimmery green in Holly Hell. I'm a fan. Uh-oh, looks like I got a hair in there. He's trapped forever. I'm sorry. Okay, so we had our two colors. And then we had our 2 plates that were Christmas themed, and yet they were also kind of creepy and Halloweeny at the same time. MXM091 and MXM092. And we also got our special item, which was our sponge with extra heads so that we can do gradients, put glitters on, and all kinds of fun stuff. And in addition, we can't forget that they give us our tutorial card and our card that describes what's on it. Okay, peeps, well, that was your November Mani by Me box, and I will be putting out the tutorial hopefully within the week, but it might be next week, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got.